Welcome to step for the accounting process, that is a trial balance. We have studied up to now step 3. The first step for the accounting process is the source of document. The second one is journal record. The third one is ledger creation. Now we are going to look at that step for the trial balance. Under this section we are going to look at that what's a trial balance and how to prepare the trial balance. So the first part is what's the trial balance. The trial balance is a list of each ledger account's balance called trial balance, and it used to prove equality debit and credit balance. Right? We know well that we have to create the ledger account based on our journal records, and end of the year we have to take the balance of each account, right? So if we take all the ledger account balance, we have to put in the trial balance. The sample trial balance you can see here. Trial balance, first we have to put that serial number, particulars, debit and credit. So the end of the year we have to get all the ledgers account balance, and we have to prepare the trial balance. If you look at this sample, the capital end of the year balance is credit 400,000, and then case end of the year the debit 102,000. Right? Why the trial balance prepare? The trial balance prepare for prove the equality on debit and credit balance. If it is debit and credit balance correct or same amount, it means that the ledger account balance is correct. Right? So that's what we are preparing trial balance. Now we are going to look at that how to prepare the trial balance. So if you look at this account, I took the capital account, the second case account. So if you look at the capital account, there are only one transaction, that is 1st April 2019, case 400,000. End of the year we have to close this account. All account we have to be closed. So at the time, you know that we need to put that balance carried down here and balance brought down here. This balance brought down, it's going to trial balance. This is the credit side. So you can see balance brought down is going to trial balance. This is credit side, so we have to put credit side. We need to type the account name here, capital, and brought down side it's a credit, so we have to enter the amount 400,000 credit. Alright, if you look at this account, cash account, here first we have to balance 405,500. Right, it is first we have to enter the total amount. You can see here 405,000, here is lesser than 405,000, so we have to put 405,500 here also 405,500. Then balance amount we have to enter here. This is called that carrying down balance, and this amount it will come here. This is the brought down balance. This brought down balance going to the trial balance. So you can see here in the debit side brought down 102,000. Here we need to enter the debit side. Debit side we have to enter 102,000. The name is cash account. Right? Likewise, we have to create the balance, end of the year balance, and we have to prepare the trial balance like this. Right? So I hope that you understand.